Hello, hello, hello. Uh, Anybody that's ever had an electric pressure washer, I've had 3 of them. You know, with little with wheels on it. This is the 3rd one I've had, and they don't last but a couple of years, and they quit working. So I thought I'd take this thing apart and just see what's going on inside of it. And this is what it looks like inside. There's a motor here, and it spins, and it kind of wobbles, and when it wobbles, it pushes these valves down. Now when I took it apart, one of these valves was stuck, but I pushed on it, not that hard, and they all go up and down now. Let's see if you can see. Push on like that, and the spring part goes up in this motor, and you see some funky looking oil that was in there, and there's some big washers and bearings and everything, but it looks like to me that it just rotates and pushes these valves up and down, which opens and closes here, and this bolt's on here. Of course, your water goes in here, and evidently those valves open and close, and it shoots it out here. Now these things won't hardly turn. I wonder if that could be the problem, because you would think they'd need to be free turning. And then it's got a power unit here that cuts this off and on, that goes to your pressure washer. So I don't know. All I could find was one of these was stuck kind of hard, and I had to unloosen it. And these, you can't turn them. You can put pliers on them and just turn them a little bit. And I would think they should be free turning, because the water actually comes out here, which is open, and it seems like it should turn these here, and then, but it don't. But anyway, I didn't really see what was wrong with it, but the problem with it was it would run, but there was no pressure. The water would come out, would go all the way through it and come out the pressure inside nozzle, but there was no pressure. It was just like a regular water hose. So I might put this back together and it might work, but I'm not going to fool with it. I paid $89 for it at Walmart on sale. I'm just going to get me a gas one. The gas ones, you can get parts for them if they're some name brand. But I'll just salvage what I can off of this. But that's what's inside one, if you ever wondered. You got this motor and this encasement here. It's got some old funky oil. You can see it down in there in it. And there's some bearings, which I took out and got over here. And it just rolls around. When the motor turns, it wobbles on these 3 valves. These 3 valves here. And evidently that creates pressure. This thing was only about 1,000 pounds per square inch. You might could buy this whole outfit, but $89, it's probably not worth it. I just wanted to see if it was maybe stopped up some way or another, but I didn't see a thing except one of these was a little hard to get started, and these things here will not turn. And I think they should be able to turn. But if you ever wondered what was inside of an electric pressure washer, this is it. I don't even know what the name of this one was. I don't even see a name on it. It came from Walmart. Had it 3 years. This is the 3rd year, and it tore up. And that's the other 2 I had. I think one of them I might have got sprayed bleach through it and might have tore it up. But they don't seem to last very long. Okay. Hope this was of some interest to you. If it is, hit like, and if you'll subscribe, everything that I'm working on, and I'm always doing something other, if you subscribe, it'll let you know when I have another video up. Thanks for watching.